Productivity apps are the apps which we use on daily basis and regularly. So hello guys, this is Aman Kumar and in this video we are checking out the top 3 productivity apps. So let's get started. So on number 1 position we have this app called SmartKid 360, and as the name suggests, this app has all basic but very important and useful controls such as flashlight, unit converter, dictionary and many more. You can swipe left or right to increase or decrease the brightness. Also, this app has a meter scale by which you can measure the length of any object or anything. Also, this app has a pretty cool feature, unit converter, by which you can convert any unit to the other unit with very ease, and the results are very accurate. Also, this app has a translator by which you can convert your language into any other particular language such as Hindi, French, German or any other language. Also, this app comes with built-in dictionary which helps us to find meaning of difficult words or the hard words. All in all, a pretty good and a useful app. Do check it out, you won't regret it. Link is in the description below. So moving on, next we have this app called Vocabulary Builder. Now we often face difficulties in finding out the meanings of difficult words or pronouncing them. So this app is here to rescue you. This app has collection of thousands of difficult words and their particular meanings. So now you can search any particular difficult word and get their meaning with very ease. Also, you can join the quiz by signing into the Google account. All in all, a pretty handy app. Do check it out. Link is again in the description below. Next up we have this app called Note-in, which is again a very useful app. Now this app allows you to write any particular message or any particular work which is very important to be completed, and by tapping it on to the add icon you can add that particular message to your status bar, and that message will be displayed until you swipe left or right, and in this manner now you will don't forget to complete your work. Do check this app out, link is in the description below. So guys, these were the top 3 productivity apps. I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you have, then please give this video a huge thumbs up. Also press that subscribe button. This is Aman Kumar and I am signing out.